Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear kids? I hope you are enjoying the best of your everything. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple fish. It really is a super easy craft to make it. So come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. Now, all you need a square piece of paper. But before I proceed further, let me introduce myself. I am the class teacher of Delta Swift. Got it? Hi. Okay. All you need a square piece of paper. See? A square piece of paper. And you can buy special paper. Or you can use normal paper like I am using here. I am going to create my own square piece of paper by bringing up a corner, folding it as neatly as you can. See? Now created your first fold, so make sure this is a nice neat crease. Open it up, create another crease in the opposite direction like this. See, like this. Try to get your corners as pointy as you can. See? Again, nice neat crease. Okay. Open it up. If you can flip it up. Now bring it up. This time you want the crease to run right through the center. Then neat crease again. See? Open it up, survive it round and fold it up again. A lot of origami is about preparing the creases that you are going to use later. Perfect. So now you have got these lovely star shaped creases. See? All right, I hope it's clear to you now. And because I have done my creases in the opposite directions, see, look how easy it's fold this into our next fold. So you are taking these 2 points, you are bringing them together. See, you are taking these 2 points and you are bringing them together, and then you flatten that down. See, you flatten that down. If you need to rewind the video and take another look, and it does help if you have the creases going in opposite directions. See, opposite directions. Nice neat creases, isn't it? So now you have got these look like this. Yeah, you see, you have got your fish face on that side. isn't it? Now 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 you bring up one side, and you kind of just, it's not exact size, but you just kind of bring it over. See, bring it over. Maybe it's a centimeter. I got this. And then repeat on this side, like this. Bring it aligned, bring it aligned. And then you can tap, you can tap this over the top. Over the top, like this. Now turn it around and look, you have your basic fish. See? Isn't it pretty? I'm just gonna get a pen or marker, whatever you may have available with you. Add a little detail. And you are all finished. If you want to look now, that is your basic fish. Aren't it easy to make it? Now try to make it your own. Okay, it's very easy. Try to make it your own now. Keep learning, stay home, stay safe, and stay blessed. Love you all. Allah Hafiz.